on Wednesday, October 11, 2017. Cook County Board President Toni Preckwinkle addressed the media regarding the Sweetened Beverage tax repeal vote.
Good afternoon. Better. Part of the job of being board president is making tough choices. But another part of this job is understanding that not every choice you make will be embraced by your colleagues or constituents, and accepting when you need to make a change. I believe in the goals and mission of county government to provide quality health care for all, regardless of need, and to promote a more equitable, competitive region. My commitment to these goals is unwavering. Last year, the board voted on revenue that served a general public health benefit while also funding our public health system. Last week, in my budget address, I outlined the two potential paths commissioners faced for this fiscal year, and they have decided. I respect the commissioners who believed that repealing this tax was the right thing to do, and I respect the people of the county who weighed in on this tax and let their voices be heard. I will continue to hear their voices. This contentious fight is now behind us, and what's ahead of us is a very tough budget season. This is an opportunity for all of us to unite around our common goals and for the public to continue to weigh in on what county should look like moving forward. As I've done every year, I made an executive budget recommendation to the board that I believed would promote a healthier, safer, and more efficient Cook County. Now that $200 million in revenue has been taken away, and unless the board agrees on other revenue, we will have to make cuts, some of which will be very painful. Although I do not know exactly what these cuts will be, I do know that we ultimately have to approve a balanced budget, as we have done in each of the previous 7 years of my tenure. Since I took office in 2010, we've cut 10% of the county's full-time workforce. Last year, we cut 1% of our full-time positions, and my budget recommendation for this year, I proposed eliminating another 254 vacancies. As a reminder, only 8% of the county's budget, only 8%, falls under my direct control for the offices under the president. In practice, this means that I can only make recommendations to how separately elected officials make cuts within their budgets. I cannot make the final call. As always, I will work with our commissioners and separately elected officials who want to present good ideas that, 1, advance us toward our goal of a balanced budget, 2, represent our best effort toward protecting vital services to all our residents, and 3, can win the support of the majority of the board members going forward. What I heard in the Finance Committee hearing yesterday were a lot of people praising the good work of the county, the cuts that have already been made, and expressing the need for more revenue while also voting to repeal the revenue we had. As I said last week, we've reached a moment of truth. And now that we're here, we have to look forward. We owe that to our residents. The responsible thing to do is to approve a balanced budget by December 1, which is the beginning of our fiscal year. We have a lot of work to do between now and then. Thank you.
This has been a Look Inside Cook County.